YouTube. Oh, I'm quiet. Anyway, yeah, I'm happy. Yeah, I have something. I messed something up. I'm searching on my phone and the road tour. Just one. It's the intro one, the third one, the intro 3. But I already take that one and yeah, we're gonna play some War Thunder. Let's get ready, mates, because it's gonna be crazy.
Yo, I gear up, ease up the door. What a sudden scare, fast away.
Hey guys. Okay, I'm making a video uh, of War Thunder. I came back to my first love. Just kidding. And yeah, um, what the fucking get paint? Pretend. I'm just not gonna show you anything. I just started like I don't know a few days, about a month ago, and I didn't do a lot. I just did more. I didn't play anything. We can say I tried the planes. Yeah, like I know Russian BB1 or I know. Yeah, I got this one today. Then we have this Belhin Mark 6. Yeah, 6 bomber, light bomber. I use it. It's cool. It's cool. Today I'm gonna play with him. Let's see his armor. Yeah. Planes cheap shit. The X-ray. Let's get a little closer and fuck I can get. You can see I got the back gunner. I got the back gunner. Yeah. Gunner. Yeah. Then oh fuck no. No. Okay, no, the best. We have the Mark 1L Hurricane. This is my baby. I like playing with him, and just because I don't have nothing else, I use for Mark 1. Chop mates. Let's go treating. Chop mates. Let's go drink some tea. Now I hope it's recording the screen because sometimes my screen recorder lags out. Maybe I'm gonna draw from some strawberries. Yeah. Oh, this I never played on this map, so this is my first time watching it. Fuck. Yeah, sorry for the cursing. Tell me if you like it. Like or dislike. um, Hurricane Mark 1, and I'm gonna wait, what? Standing ground, okay. What the? Oh, yeah, this is cool. These are, I think, like the base. Then you have restore or bomb targets, restore the enemy aircraft. Okay, I must destroy the enemies and this shit. Okay, that's not even bad. Oh, yeah. Oh, fuck. I fucked up. It was at this moment, Giga knew he fucked up. Yeah, you taking my tea. I'm gonna take you right now. Yeah. Oh, yeah, I'm not a bomb. Fuck. Oh, I must destroy these dudes. Okay. Like 1, 2, 3. Let's go, ants. Yeah. Still loading. Now look at my tactic. It's so tactical. I'm tactical. Okay, turn off. And he's doing the same idea as I'm doing. I'm going full throttle. I'm gonna make. Oh yeah, attack. What's up, my nails? Yeah. I'm gonna attack him from this side. Nope. I can do this. A loop. And I can turn off the power and go like this. Yeah. And then I go like this and I got the power back on. Always destroy the first one. Destroy the head. And then you get up, go there. Do another loop-de-loop. Or I think that's a loop-de-loop. There's my friend. He's helping me. If I'm running, I can't say he's a nigger. I hope no black people is going on. You'll never get find me. Oh fuck! I can do the voice. Yeah. Oh fuck! Yo! Oh, that was close. That was really close. It was a meter. And then just turn on my guns, armored car, and what? No house. I don't want to go to the house. See, I'm British. See, that's sure. Our base has been destroyed. We are. What? No. Okay, yes. Okay, that was close. My I forgot how it's called. My mouse turned off. I don't know how. Maybe the battery fell out because I don't know how. Those. Yeah. Oh yeah. And if it's anybody that knows me, this is my learning. I'm learning how to be a perfect. Yeah. Now I turn up. Oh, military! What? No! What? Did you see that? I'm just gonna shoot because I'm bored. No, just count us. Fuck. Oh my god. I'm gonna go as a bomber. Oh yeah. I'm going a bomber. I'm going to bomb. Stop. No. Me neither. What did you say? You're fun. Shut up. You know what? I don't want to talk to you anymore. Okay. Let's go there. And I might go. Okay, I have it. Oh, I'm gonna attack you. Britain! For the Queen! Or the King. Who's right there? Chef Google? Google! My phone's turned off. Come on. If I know I'm gonna go play this, I will go as Russians. Because every Russian plane I have has bombs. From two. Yeah. Now you go. Oh, fuck, FPS. You're saying, nope, I'm gonna lag the fuck out of you. Now look, I have 4 bombs. And I'm gonna start attacking right now. And just one. Okay, I'm trying to see the explosion. Oh, come on! It would be so. Okay, 1 minute till I get the ammo back. And that minute, I'm gonna glide. Oh, fuck. I'm gonna make it too fast. Maybe if I just shoot like a noob. I'm a noob! Noob stuff. Oh yeah, if you're watching. Fuck! Go up! Just a second. Okay. Ah, fuck off. Okay, I'm back. Okay, that was close. And victory belongs. I'm turning. Oh my god. I'm just thinking I'm gonna quit. Victory will be ours. Yeah. Come on, they destroyed a point. I must turn to that. Oh no, they didn't. The point was right there. Me stupido. No. Oh my god. Come on, go up. My FPS is 4 to 5. Oh my god, and ping. Okay, ping is okay. FPS, nope. FPS. Oh my god, really? You're gonna be that person? He's gonna come. I'm already lagging. Then I must lag till it's done. Come on, I don't know where to go with the bombs. Start. Base damage. Okay. Yay! Base bomb. Tons of TNT. What the fuck? I made more than half of tons of TNT at 2 bases together. It's gonna be best 8. Oh, my mom's coming. Yeah, now you want some? We won. Victory is ours. Yes. Now it's gonna take a long time to load this video. Not what I needed. Okay. I'm just begging for that tomorrow for school. I was 9th. Okay, I'm not angry. It's lagging. Okay. Some other one superhuman to do a lot of cool stuff. Yeah, that's that. Thanks for watching. Share, like, and subscribe.